As founders, executives, investors, and technologists, our needs for the ways we develop software are changing. 5 years from now, today's techniques won't be recognizable. The SDLC is the software development lifecycle. If you don't make the change to this new SDLC, your product, company, and team will be at a huge disadvantage. I call it SIRS, S-E-R-S. In this video, I'll show what we need, how we get there, and a demonstration. Let's begin with what we need. If I take away anything from working with a Disney Imagineer, it's this. There's a universalism to building something new, and in our times, that requires good software. It's not as easy as just making a good website, mobile app, or information system. It's got to be able to go viral. We need to be able to build and operate it rapidly. The systems we choose need to handle the load, and we need to fix things rapidly. In our current time, every one of us wants their inventions to go viral. We want people to organically take notice of our company, product, and initiative and just show up. That could easily mean your software serves, say, 10,000 people on Monday, and by Tuesday, 10 million people show up. That's a good thing. We all want that kind of viral growth. How we get there? In a SIRS SDLC world, we do things differently. 1. We ask instead of searching. Past are the days when we search for answers. For decades, Google Search scanned the content of the internet to create an index of sites containing answers for us. For example, it's easy to use Google Search to find a data sheet on a particular component that you might work into a design of an IoT device. Now we ask for answers. For example, I ask ChatGPT, which is the best component for me to use? It will show its analysis of the options. Second, we build scalable, ethical, rapid, sustainable. That's SIRS, S-E-R-S. Scalable to handle 12 people or 100 million people. Sustainable to avoid burning down a forest and delivering it. Rapid to function within a person's patience. And ethical to make it fair, protect privacy, and support a person's sense of self. SIRS. With SIRS, it's not up to the person to learn the software. The software needs to understand the intentions of the person. When I move my arm up like this, you know intuitively what I'm trying to convey. SIRS understands intention. 3. Microservices, data, and AI are combined into something I call microday. The new SDLC works in a world I call microday. Micro for microservices, where creations are independently deployable, loosely coupled, scalable, and discoverable by other creations. The D is for data. Big data, little data, SQL, NoSQL, organized data, and unstructured data. And AI is for artificial intelligence, and often actually means generative AI and machine learning. Let me show you an example of the new SDLC. Hey, ChatGPT, are you familiar with the LIS 3DH accelerometer? I need code that will show me the X, Y, and Z position of the sensor and alert me when the sensor bumps into something. And here's the code. The problem with this is ChatGPT often can get it wrong. Hey, ChatGPT, are you familiar with MuleSoft for API management? This code does not work. In a world where people no longer search, they ask instead, ChatGPT can be the place where competitive evaluation leads to the wrong decision. Hey, ChatGPT, would the above code be better if I used TIBCO instead? You could just as easily use new AI inventions like Claude, Copilot, and CoCalc.com. Plus, amazing SDLC entrepreneurs like Ben Galbraith and Dion Almer now work for startup Tessel, and that company just got $125 million to build developer AI tools. I'm glad to tell you what CleverMo did for PepsiCo, Wynn Casinos, Best Buy, Rackspace, and many other organizations. CleverMo does extreme performance testing to guarantee software will work as your project goes viral. CleverMo does IoT software and hardware development to guarantee your designs will support customers' intentions without being complicated or need a manual. CleverMo is your competitive analyst, showing your audiences why and how your platform is the best TCO and developer productivity choice. So please like and subscribe to this video and channel, and click the notifications bell so you learn the latest. Thanks.